So in the question they have given alpha, beta, gamma, delta are some real numbers and some relation between those numbers are given, and they are saying suppose the point 3, 2, -1 is the mirror image of this with respect to the plane. So let's take the plane, and they are saying we have a point P which is 1, 0, -1, and the mirror image of this with respect to the plane is given as a Q, that is a 3, 2, -1, right? So one thing that we can directly say, PQ is going to be perpendicular to the plane, as we are talking about the mirror image. So obviously the PQ is going to be perpendicular to the plane. So what is PQ vector that we are going to get here? So that can be written as PQ can be written as a 2i cap and 2 minus 0. That one is going to be 2j cap, right? And that's it, 2i cap and 2j cap. That is going to be your PQ that we got here. So as we know, this is going to be the perpendicular to the plane, so we can assume this one as n bar itself. And now if I take the midpoint of PQ, so what is going to be the midpoint of PQ? So if I take this one as the M, so the point M is going to be simply the midpoint of PQ. So that is going to be 3 plus 1 by 2, that will be 2 we are going to get. And then 0 plus 2 by 2, that will be 1, and -1, that is going to be -1, right? -1, -2 upon 2, that will be -1. So this midpoint is going to be on the plane, and we got another vector n bar which is going to be perpendicular to the plane. So now we know if it is perpendicular to the plane, we can directly write the equation. So we got our plane is going to be perpendicular to n bar, which is going to be simply 2i cap plus 2j cap, and our plane is going to contain a point, and what was the point that we got? 2, 1, -1. So it is going to have the point 2, 1, -1. So when we know the point and the normal vector, what is the equation of the plane? So that we know a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0 is going to give you the equation of the plane, where a, b, c are going to be the perpendicular, that the drs of the normal vector, and x1, y1, z1 are going to be the given point. So that will be 2 times x minus 2 plus 2 times y minus 1 plus 0 times z minus of -1 equal to 0. That is what we are going to get. So ultimately, if you simplify this one, so what are we going to get? So the equation of the plane is going to be 2x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0, or we can simply write the equation of the plane as x plus y equal to 3. So now by comparing this one with alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z equal to delta, we can directly tell the value of alpha is going to be equal to 1, the value of beta is going to be equal to 1, and gamma equal to 0, and the value of delta equal to 3. So this is what we got here by solving this question: alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 1, gamma equal to 0, and delta equal to 3. So now let's see which of the options are correct. Okay, so ultimately what we got: alpha equal to beta equal to 1, and we got gamma equal to 0 and delta equal to 3. So alpha plus beta equal to 2. So obviously that's a correct answer. Gamma minus delta minus gamma equal to 3. So option B is also right. And delta plus beta equal to 4. Yes, this is also right answer. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to delta. So this one is not a right answer. So for this question, we are going to get answer as ABC. So this is actually one of the easiest questions that they have given. So if you know the diagrams, you can directly get the answer for this question.